If you're going to work for me, you got to do what I say when I say it. Say yes, ma'am. I said, say yes, ma'am. Dollie, why are you being so mean to these? I'm not being mean. I'm setting the ground rules. I am the boss here. Say yes, ma'am. They're not going to say it. Why? I'm the boss. They must say it. Say yes, ma'am. Look, Dollie, they're not going to say it unless I make them say it. What? No, I'm the boss. Say yes, ma'am. You better make them say it. Say yes, ma'am. Do it. Nope. You are not in control here. Yes, I am. Make them say yes, ma'am. No. You are making me upset. I'm not going to do it. You best say yes, ma'am. I am the boss. I am the brains of this operation. He hasn't had a good thought since swim faster.